You're watching Infinity Tech. Let's sync your Apple Music library across all your devices. First, ensure you are using the same Apple ID on every iPhone, iPad, or Mac on each device. Open the Settings app and go to your Apple ID profile at the top to check this. Next, on each device, go to Settings, then scroll to Music inside the music settings. Make sure the sync library toggle is turned on. This is the most important step. You need an active Apple Music or iTunes Match subscription for this feature to work. Once enabled, give your devices some time to connect to Wi-Fi and upload or download the library data. Changes you make on one device, like adding a song to a playlist, will automatically appear on your other devices. If music is missing, try turning sync library off and back on, or restart the devices. This keeps your entire music collection consistent everywhere. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel. You're watching Infinity Tech. Let's send a photo message directly to a friend on TikTok. First, open the TikTok app and make sure you are logged in. Tap the inbox icon at the bottom of your screen, which looks like a speech bubble. Now select the conversation with the friend you want to message, or tap the compose icon to start a new chat. Inside the chat, look for the plus sign or the gallery icon next to the text input field. Tapping this will open your phone's photo gallery. Browse and select the photo you wish to send. You can also take a new picture instantly by using the camera icon within the chat. After selecting your photo, you have the option to add text, stickers, or effects before sending it. Finally, tap the send button, which is usually a paper plane icon. Your photo message will be delivered directly to your friend's TikTok inbox. They will get a notification that you have sent them a picture. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel. Open the Messages app and select a conversation you want to personalize. Now tap on the contact's name or the letter I at the top of your screen. This will open the conversation details. Scroll down and tap on the option that says Background. Here you will see a few different categories. You can choose a solid color for a very clean look, or select one of the provided gradient options. For more fun, tap Photos to use an image from your own library as the backdrop. You can adjust the photo's position and opacity using the slider so your text remain readable. Once you are happy with your choice, tap Set in the top right corner. You can set it just for this specific chat or for all of your message threads. Remember, this background change is only visible on your own device, not the other person's phone. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.